Here's how to create a timesheet in Excel. Now look at this example. We have a simple timesheet that includes the employee name, date, start time, end time, and total hours worked. First, create the column headers: employee name, date, start time, end time, and total hours. Then, enter your employee data with start and end times. To calculate total hours worked, click in the first cell under the total hours column. Type this formula, equals SUM. Now, click on end time. Then click on start time. Then close the bracket and subtract 24 and hit enter. For example, equals D2C 224. Press enter and Excel will calculate the working hours. If needed, change the format to number so the result appears correctly in hours. Now drag the fill handle down to apply the formula to all rows. This makes it easy to track employee working hours and maintain an accurate timesheet in Excel. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.